A warning, this next story contains details about allegations of sexual assault. The trial of a former Kitchener neurologist accused of improperly touching his female patients is slowly nearing its end. Closing submissions wrapped up today at the case of Dr. Jeffrey Slocka, though it's not known when there will be a verdict. CTV's Krista Simpson has the latest.
Dr. Jeffrey Slocka leaves the Waterloo Region Courthouse as another phase in his trial ends. A week of oral closing arguments wrapped up Friday morning. Slocka is charged with 48 counts of sexual assault. The complainants, all female patients at his private neurology practice in Kitchener. Slocka is accused of touching their breasts, vaginas, and other intimate areas during appointments, as well as improperly draping patients, examining some when they were completely naked. Slocka's lawyers argue there were medical reasons for the examinations he did, and some were because Slocka had a broad medical interest that went beyond his specialty of neurology. The Crown is arguing that Slocka touched the women for sexual purpose. When Dr. Slocka operates outside of neurology, he is doing that to gain access to the complainants, who are all women, and their bodies, prosecutor Julia Forward told court. The Crown is also arguing even if the judge doesn't find sexual purpose was Slocka's motivation, Slocka can still be found guilty if the judge believes the women's sexual integrity was violated. It's the Crown's position it's not Dr. Slocka who gets to decide how these patients are touched. The whole point of the law is to protect sexual autonomy and sexual integrity, Forward said.
Slocka's fate is now in the hands of Justice Craig Perry, who did not give a firm timeline as to when he might be ready with his decision.
A check-in date has been set for the end of February, with the judge saying he hopes to have some good news as to the timeline at that point. Slocka's trial began more than 4 years ago in September 2021. Krista Simpson, CTV News, Kitchener.